Our journey through South Italy continued to picturesque town called Alberobello, home to unique architecture wonder, the Trulli. We spent the whole day here, and in today's video we will show you its beauty. We will take you through the town, we will get lost in the beautiful streets, take you inside the Trulli, taste the local cuisine and wine, and finish the trip outside the tourist place. So let's go to Alberobello! In Alberobello you will think you landed in fantasy book. Small houses with conical roof are dotted everywhere around you. Upon closer investigation, you will find that these small draft houses are actually real and people still live in them. In case you have decided to see what a hobbit house could look like, you shall go to Alberobello, a small town in Puglia, a region in South Italy. The symbol of Alberobello, small historical houses called Trulla, are designated as UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Trulli, originally used as temporary field shelters, have now become a permanent part of the town, with entire neighborhoods of this charming house. In addition to Trulli, Alberobello is also home of the Museum of Trulli, where visitors can learn about the history and construction of these unique buildings. Today Trulli are also used as homes, shops and restaurants. They are known for their cool interiors and cozy atmosphere, making them a popular choice for vacation rental. Let's take a look at what life was like in Trulla. There are several Trulli in the town that you can visit for free or for a small donation. Italians love dogs. Gioco even got something good to eat from the owner after the inspection. Puglia has many hydrated restaurants serving great traditional Puglia cuisine, including handmade pasta and wood-fired pizzas. It's always a good idea to make a reservation at the restaurant in advance, especially during peak tourist season. And bon appetit! There are a few famous shops in Alberobello. You can find here shops sells handmade craft and souvenir, including traditional ceramic and jewelry. Shops are sell traditional Puglian products such as olive oil, wine, pasta and truffles. But keep in mind that many shops in Alberobello are closed on Sunday and have limited hours on the other day, so it's a good idea to check the hours of operation before visiting. Our advice to you is to arrive before 9 AM, before the crowds arrive, or in the later afternoon once the majority have departed. When visiting Alberobello, we recommend walk till you get lost around the city. Then find a nice Trulla restaurant to enjoy some local food and buy something from local shops that will make you remember this experience. If you had enough of the city, you can head outside the city where you will find abundant Trulla. And where to go next? An hour drive from here is Matera, stunning city rich with history, gaze hotel and tasty Italian food. It's the oldest inhabited prehistoric city. Many films have been shot here. You can follow in the footsteps of James Bond. If you are interested in Matera, here is a link to a video about this beautiful city, where you can learn more about it. Thank you for watching and see you next time!